Want to hear how a Swedish manufacturing company's partnership with Infosys delivered incredible saving and excellent results? With a market-leading presence in over 32 countries, this manufacturing company, a pioneer in bearings, seals production and mechatronics services, brought Infosys Content Management Services on board to manage its intranet, SEO, social media, translation services, and website transformation. Reeling from slow speed to market, to a complex IT landscape, its challenges were complex. The Infosys Content Management team consolidated and centralized processes, resulting in a metrics-driven rigorous operation. The team also streamlined ticket processing and resolution across regions, with skilled handling of content management systems. Support was offered for other processes that demanded technical skill and expertise. Soon, the engagement grew to include the transformation of the company's website. Over 18 months, Infosys worked on content migration, structure, and page creation for the product and service section of the website. And the website was relaunched in June 2020 on time, even amidst global lockdown and chaos due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Content Management System, SDL Tridion, is now used by the client's team to collaborate, author, and publish content within a centralized platform across 64 websites in 32 languages. Through this 6-year partnership, Infosys has delivered 40% faster ticket resolution, 10% improvement in overall turnaround time, improved speed to market 20%, released team bandwidth by 10% through process improvement initiatives, increased productivity by 30%, improved scale of operations to include more complex tasks. What's more, the partnership, now thriving on considerable trust and confidence, has been extended to support Chinese language websites from our delivery center in China. Want to know more? Write to us at digital.bpm@infosys.com.